YSDCNC laser cutting machine integrated casting machine body with higher stability for higher precision, application of gantry structure and integrated cast cross-cutter to achieve higher rigidity, stability, shock resistance. The machine is capable of automatic height adjustment to maintain constant focal length and stable cutting quality. The specialized CAD and CAM automatic programming software and automatic nesting software aim to maximally save raw materials, configure high-performance laser source, and stable operating system, which make the best cutting effect. Stable cutting process guarantees high productivity, and the fiber laser system enable production with low operating costs.